Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's topic is boundaries and contents of temporal and infratemporal foci. So in the last class we have completed the external carotid artery in the carotid triangle as 3 videos. So those who have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now and keep watching the videos. In our channel we have added a new playlist called Important Anatomy in 50 videos. If you go through the 50 videos, you will be able to cover the 60 to 70% of the anatomy questions for the university exam. So do subscribe now, keep watching the videos. Now we will start the temporal and infratemporal foci. So this topic we will see in 2 or 3 classes. First we will see the boundaries and contents of temporal and infratemporal foci. Next we will see the muscles of mastication. Next we will see the mandibular nerve, maxillary artery, temporomandibular joint. In that way we will proceed with this topic. So do subscribe now and keep watching the videos. Now we will move on to the today's topic, temporal and infratemporal foci. So this is the temporal fossa or temporal region which is present above the external acoustic meatus, above one front of the auricle. So that is the definition. If you see this temporal region, boundaries are above is superior temporal line. So that is marked by this orange color or this red color, and that is the superior temporal line. Then the other line you are seeing is the inferior temporal line. And inferior boundary of the temporal fossa is the zygomatic arch. And the floor of the temporal region is the temporal fossa. So this is the floor of temporal region. Contents of the temporal region or the temporal fossa are the temporalis muscle. So this is the fan-shaped temporalis muscle which takes origin from the floor of the temporal region. And also the other contents are the deep temporal arteries and nerves. They will be running deep to the temporalis muscle. So this will be covered by the temporal fascia. From that fascia, this temporalis muscle take another origin. So this is the nicely shown temporalis muscle. So this temporal fossa and infratemporal fossa may be asked as short notes for you. Now this is the temporal fossa. Below the temporal fossa, that is the infratemporal fossa. So you have to look here where the cursor is, that is the infratemporal fossa. So if you remove the mandible, then you can observe clearly the infratemporal fossa. So this is mandible is removed. Now you can appreciate clearly the infratemporal fossa. Boundaries are, roof is, this is the roof, what bone? That is the greater wing of sphenoid. Exactly to tell infratemporal surface of the greater wing of sphenoid. That is the roof. There is no floor. Front is maxillary bone or posterior surface of the maxilla. So that is anterior, but there is no posterior. Medially, this is the lateral pterygoid plate. So that is the medially lateral pterygoid plate. Laterally, we can take as ramus of mandible, or only these 3 boundaries are the exact boundaries of the infratemporal fossa. Contents of the infratemporal fossa is shown in this picture. 2 pterygoid muscles are seen. So this is the temporalis muscle which is cut to show the infratemporal fossa. So this temporalis which is inserted to coronoid processes, here it is reflected to show the contents of the infratemporal fossa. This muscle, that is the buccinator. How we can tell is it is pierced by this parotid duct, you can observe. So, but this is not the content of infratemporal fossa. Only these 2 pterygoid muscles, they are the lateral pterygoid muscle and this is the medial pterygoid muscle. And also the mandibular nerve and its branches, maxillary artery, otic ganglion also are the contents of infratemporal fossa. So this temporal fossa and infratemporal fossa may be asked as short notes for you. So I have covered the boundaries and contents of temporal and infratemporal fossa in this class. The remaining topics of this region, like the muscles of mastication, mandibular nerve, maxillary artery, temporomandibular joint, we will cover in the next classes. So those who have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now. Keep watching the videos. Don't forget to press the like button and share button of the video. Thank you.